final take. I've got this set up properly so that my ground is touching ground on the side of the switch, the potentiometer over here that's normally for 3D aspect ratio on the 3DS, and then the cable is taped down so I can manipulate it. This buzzer will go off when I connect ground. Bingo. And looks like none of these others are ground. It's only right here on the big fat pin right there. So let's go for resistance. Oops. Let's see here. Not much. And then let's test some of these other pins here. I think it's this one. 5 ohms. It's not that one. There's a little itty bitty one right here, I believe. I need really sharp probes for this because yeah. So that's 9 kilo ohms. Slide that back a little bit. Let's slide it all the way. We need to see a difference here. Okay. 9 kilo ohms. Not good. There's offset pins here, so I'll try to get this upper row pin right here only. That's touching ground still. That's 3 kilo ohms. Okay, now slide this back up. Go for another reading. Touching ground still. Okay. Eight. 6. Alright, so this tells me I need a better probe. I could sharpen it, I guess, but let's see if this still says 9 down here. Alright, fatty probe. That still's 9. Okay, one last try. Or more. See, the problem is when I try to get the upper row pin, I touch the 9K one as well, so it's a voltage divider. It's not giving me the right resistance. But at least I can look for a difference in resistance. My switch is all the way here, and this reads 8K. Move that down. Oh, wait. Maybe not all the way. Okay. If that goes all the way to 0, that's kind of that's a great thing for the circuit that I need to build. So 4K. So that's about halfway down. So 9 to 4 to, let's see what this is. No, not all the way. I'm going to punch it up just a smidge. Just a little smidge. 1K. And this should be 0, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty much nothing. And then this lower pin, I'm assuming is still 9. If I can tag it one more time. Yeah, 9 kilo ohms. Alright, cool. So I can read these things and hopefully I can connect them up. But that's going to be a really fine pitch soldering job, so let's see how it goes.